Happy holidays, everyone! I was sitting on my couch the other night and thought, what could I get the 3D printing community for Christmas this year? So I sketched up this festive mug and got right into Blender to turn it into something that you could 3D print. I've designed a few 3D printable mugs in the past, but nothing quite this festive. It is for Christmas after all. As you can see, I'm going with your traditional Christmas colors: red, green, white, and a little gold to make it fancy. After blocking out the basic shapes of the mug, it is time to start adding the candy cane handles. I use a mask to draw out my swirls to give the appearance of a handmade candy cane, then extract the mask and refine it to make the red portion. To make this look a little bit more elegant, I added a gold collar with an emerald jewel in the center. The base got some bevels to look like feet, but still be able to print without slicer supports, which is very important to me because I really hate removing FDM style supports if I don't have to. It saves material, it saves time, and typically leaves a cleaner surface. Here I'm just wrapping up the finishing touches with some Christmas snow to give the mug that frosty appearance. And with that, the mug was ready to send to my slicer to prepare for 3D printing. This model is broken into separate pieces to make it really easy to add color for a multi-material 3D printer. Well, that didn't work. Unfortunately, I got a major clog in the nozzle and ended up having to replace the nozzle before I could print a new mug. I printed this new mug in a single color because I was running out of time to finish this video and get the mug to you before Christmas. Much better. With the power of editing, we can prime the mug white and get to painting. I decided to use my Army Painter speed paints for this project, not sponsored, but I was short on time and I thought they would do a good job giving me some natural shading and highlights. I started by painting all the red bits with the blood red color. I know, not very Christmassy sounding, but it was definitely the right color choice. The red had the most parts to paint, and I figure if I messed up terribly on the red, I could just paint over it later with some white to fix it before moving on to the other colors. Hey, guess what? Time for a new color. I used the orc skin green, again, not very Christmassy, but look at that nice shade. I'm actually kind of glad that my color print failed. I personally prefer the painted look for 3D prints, and I just find painting so relaxing. I've got plans to make that gold portion look even more metallic, but before I do that, I like to underpaint my gold colors to give them some warmth. I also painted in some snow shadow with Reaper Master Series Snow Shadow color, not sponsored, while letting the paint dry on the golden areas. With the paint dry, I took some gold leaf rub and buff, again not sponsored. Then I painted over the golden areas with a worn out paintbrush. This is a wax product, so you want to make sure that anything you apply it to is dry and free of debris. The finished mug can be used as a soda can cozy, or you can fill it with some holiday candy, or if you are playing some games over Christmas break, you can use it to hold a bunch of dice. God bless you all. I'd like to wish you and yours a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. If you have a 3D printer, I've made this mug free on MakerWorld, Printables, Thingiverse, and my website. I'll put some links down below. I'd also like to thank our monthly supporters and merchants for making it possible for me to design new models all the time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers soon, so it would really help me out if you'd hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave me a comment about what I should design next. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!